Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to tell you about the Ireland work visa process. In 2024, over 38,000 work permits were issued, with rising numbers now in 2025. There's a steady high demand for skilled workers in tech, healthcare, finance, construction and pharma, and you can earn an average salary of around 44,000 euros every year. In 2025, Ireland continues to be an attractive destination for foreign professionals due to increased skilled worker demand, offering various skilled worker visa options, competitive salaries, and opportunities across multiple sectors. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the process. In this video, I'll tell you all about the Ireland work visa, the types of work visas you can apply for, the visa cost, validity and processing time, how foreign workers can apply for it, the average salaries in Ireland, top job sectors offering the most jobs to foreign workers, the best genuine job websites that foreign workers can use to get jobs in Ireland, and a few additional tips to help you get your work visa quickly, so do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free, and answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. Let's start with the types of Ireland work visas in 2025. The first type is a critical skills employment permit. This is mainly designed for highly skilled professionals in occupations experiencing labor shortages like healthcare, engineering, education, media, finance, etc. Coming to the validity, it's issued for 2 years with a pathway to permanent residency after this period. Talking about your salary requirement, there's a minimum annual salary of 32,000 euros for specified occupations and 64,000 euros for others. The processing time is typically around 4 to 8 weeks, and the application fee is 1,000 euros. Next, we come to the general employment permit. This is for occupations not listed under the previous critical skills category. Coming to validity, it's issued for up to 2 years, which is renewable for up to 5 years. There is a salary requirement of a minimum annual salary of 30,000 euros. The processing time is approximately 6 to 8 weeks, and the application fee is again 1,000 euros. Lastly, we come to the working holiday authorization. This visa is available to citizens of certain countries, and their age should be between 80 to 30 years or 35 years for some nationalities. Coming to validity, this visa allows travel and work in Ireland for up to 12 months. Talking about your salary requirements, there's generally no specific minimum salary requirement, as the primary purpose of this visa is to enable a holiday experience with work supplementing your stay. The processing time is 4 to 6 weeks, and the application fee actually depends on where you're applying from. Kindly note, as of early 2025, Ireland has implemented a new cloud-based IT system to streamline permit processing, which has potentially reduced waiting times. So your visa can potentially be processed much faster than the times I've explained. Coming to your average salaries in Ireland for 2025, the national average salary is around 44,200 euros per year or 3,600 euros per month. Now for the professions which are in constant demand, the average salary of a software developer is 55,000 euros every year. The average salary for registered nurses is 40,000 euros annually. Doctors can make 50,000 to 100,000 euros every year. A pharmacist can earn 62,900 euros. A data scientist can earn 65,000 euros. An accountant can earn around 52,000 euros. And a civil engineer can earn between 45,000 to 80,000 euros every year. Now let's check the top sectors that are hiring foreign workers in Ireland. The first sector is of course healthcare. There's a high demand for nurses, doctors and allied health professionals. Information technology or IT comes next, with opportunities in software development, cybersecurity and data analysis. Next, we come to construction and engineering, where there's a need for civil engineers, electricians and project managers. Financial services comes next, with roles in compliance, risk management and financial analysis. Last but not the least, renewable energy and environmental jobs. Positions for sustainability consultants and environmental engineers are in huge demand. Now for the top job portals for foreign workers. You can get jobs from your home countries from these websites easily. The first one is IrishJobs.ie, followed by Jobs.ie, Indeed Ireland, of course LinkedIn, eURES, which is a European job mobility portal, ConstructionJobs.ie, mainly for construction and engineering jobs, and Gumtree Ireland. Now we come to how you can apply for your work visa. The first step is to secure a job offer from an Irish employer. You can use the websites I just mentioned for this, professional networking, or your connections in Ireland as well. Next, your employer will apply for your work permit with the Department of Enterprise, Trade and Employment. The third step is to await your decision, and the processing timelines for your visa will be based on the type of permit that you apply for. Lastly comes your visa application stage. Once your work permit is approved, you can apply for an entry visa if required through the Irish Naturalization and Immigration Service or INIS. Now for a few tips for a successful application. First and foremost comes your qualification recognition. Ensure that your credentials are recognized by Irish authorities, for example NMBI for nurses, Medical Council for doctors, etc. Next comes your English proficiency. You have to prepare for language tests like IELTS or OET. For most island work visas, an overall IELTS band score of 5 is typically required, which is very easy to get. However, for the critical skills employment permit, a minimum IELTS score of 6 is needed. Next comes networking. You'll have to engage with professionals on LinkedIn and attend industry-specific job fairs. Any connections, whether professional or personal in Ireland, also helps here. Lastly, you'll have to stay informed by regularly checking the Department of Enterprise, Trade and Employment for updates on occupation lists and salary thresholds. A few additional considerations. While your job opportunities are abundant in Ireland, it still faces a housing shortage, particularly in busy cities like Dublin, Cork and Limerick. Securing accommodation can be challenging, and this may require early planning. So do keep this in mind while getting a job offer. Alright guys, so that was all about the island work visa process.